We're gonna stay here until I can extract you from the vehicle.
He sat quietly inside his car, the engine resting, the street still. There were no flashing lights, no sirens, just silence heavy enough to raise questions. What began as an ordinary moment soon shifted, as unseen eyes turned curiosity into suspicion. Every second inside that car felt longer, as if the weight of judgment had already arrived before a single word was spoken.
We're gonna stay here until I can extract you from the vehicle and ID you if you do not show me your ID.
I just showed you my ID.
If you cooperate,
I'm not gonna cooperate because I'm not doing anything wrong.
You need to understand that arguing is not helpful.
I'm not arguing with you. I'm gonna exercise every right that I have as an American citizen. So you're gonna false flag the canine to give you probable cause to break our windows and pull us out of this vehicle. That's what we see every day. You're doing this to American citizens. Why?
The repeat of some YouTube video.
We're not watching YouTube. We're exercising our rights. We're not doing YouTube.
I'm trying to be as patient with you guys.
You can be as patient as you want.
I would love to get you on your way.
Your breath smells. I'll let you look back there, though.
Okay, so this Agent Walsh got from me. I see as well, Joe.
Yep.
You're being recorded as well.
Okay.
All right, listen. So the reason why we're stopping you is because you did U-turns and there's a known alien out in the area.
Okay.
So your vehicle was driving near.
Yeah, we're exploring.
That's fine.
We're traveling. We're on the way to a dentist appointment right now, but we're going this way, and then we're gonna stop at the casino up the road. We saw a sign for a campground, so we're looking for potential campgrounds. If you put your look back there, we are campers. We have stuff back there where we can pop a tent, all that stuff. So that's the explanation for that.
Okay.
And that's the end of the conversation.
That's fine. So I just need to see some ID.
I'm not going to show you ID. I'll show it to you, but I'm not giving it to you.
I need to see your ID.
I'll show it to you.
Sir, playing the games isn't going to...
I'm not playing games. I'm exercising my rights.
Right, and I'd love for you
there
to
you
get
go.
On your way to camp.
That's it.
Sir, we're going to stay here until I can extract you from the vehicle and ID you if you do not show me your ID.
I just showed you my ID.
If you cooperate...
I'm not going to cooperate because I'm not doing anything wrong. Get your supervisor here now, please. Call your supervisor.
No, there isn't one. I am the supervisor.
Here's it again.
I need to see...
You're not going to have it. I do not consent to any seizures, anything like that.
It's not a seizure. That's
so I'm exercising. Okay, at this point, I'm going to remain silent and exercise all my rights.
I'm going to get a canine out here. The stop's going to...
You do what you got to do. You do what you got to do.
I need you to turn your vehicle off.
No, I don't have... No. You can say... You can listen. Hey, praise the Lord. Do all that. We're going to remain silent. We haven't done anything wrong. And you're risking impeding on our way to get to the dentist. You're going to make me late. I've had surgery. Over 2 years now of surgery.
I understand, sir.
So we're going to remain silent, and then that's it.
Right, but you understand.
We're exercising our right to remain silent. Thank you. Have a nice day.
So if you have a dentist appointment, it probably wasn't the best decision to be out in the middle of nowhere.
No, we have the right to travel anywhere we want to travel.
You're absolutely right, you do. And I actually have the right and authority to stop you.
And you did, and I told you where we're going. We're not suspicious.
My suspicion
so you're continuing your suspicions are not a crime.
Right, but it's enough to...
Okay, well, there's not a crime committed here at all.
Well, actually, we just got an alien load.
But we're not aliens.
An alien smuggler. Right, but
and we're not smugglers.
I'm not going to explain the details.
Okay, you don't have to. I'm just letting you know we do not match your description, so therefore you are impeding in our travel.
You need to understand that arguing is not helpful.
I'm not arguing with you. I'm going to exercise every right that I have as an American citizen.
The problem is that some of what you're saying is misinformed.
No, it's not. You can change whatever language you like, but this is what it is.
But that's fine because we're just going to wait for a canine to come here.
Go ahead. What's the canine going to do? There's nobody in my car. You saw the windows. Look it. There's nobody back there. It's just us two. There's nothing illegal in the vehicle. Every single thing in this vehicle we have the legal right to possess. We're going to false flag the canine to give you probable cause to break our windows and pull us out of this vehicle. That's what we see every day. You're doing this to American citizens. Why? I already know you tip off the dog. Oh, she's not going to ID either. She's not going to ID either. And I'm her husband, and I'm speaking. She is not going to ID either. You racial profiled us and pulled us over for no reason. We did no illegal infractions, no traffic infractions, and you pulled us over. I've already told you we're not illegal. Now, are we under arrest?
This is called an investigative.
Are we under arrest or are we free to go?
No, it's called an investigative.
Wait, are we detained?
Yes, you are detained.
You're legally detaining us.
Correct.
Under the threat of arrest?
No, it's called an
Or
investigative.
under the
detention.
threat of arrest, are you going to detain
I'm
us?
not going to argue.
Okay,
the
then never mind.
The repeat of some YouTube video.
We're not watching YouTube. We're exercising our rights. We're not doing YouTube.
This is a detention.
So are you
correct.
illegally detaining us?
No.
Yes, you are. You are illegal detaining American citizens that have already declared their citizenship.
Investigative detention.
Okay, well, why is a dog? What does a dog have to do with our citizen status? Huh? Does it smell if I'm illegal? Does it smell if I'm from a different country?
No, it's called reasonable suspicion.
So you're gonna false flag the dog to get a reasonable? Yes, you are. Yes, you guys do. You tip. Come on, man. We have dogs too. All right. We have German Shepherds. We know the rules here. Okay, and that's what you're gonna do.
Your German Shepherds have.
Listen, hold on, man. You're full. You are so full of it and trying to get into our vehicle that it's nuts. We are American citizens. You are Border Patrol. We didn't do any traffic infractions. I'm going to the dentist and you're making me late. We stopped by because we saw a campground thing and because we like camping.
Technically, you did a U-turn over double.
I can do as many I turned into here and I looked around and there was no vehicles within 100 yards of me.
Infraction. However, that is not my deal. That's law enforcement's deal. We have that on camera, so I could call it.
We have it on camera too. We can have it on. We have it on camera too. We safely proceeded off the road.
That is not what I'm concerned with. What I'm concerned with was your activity in relation to a smuggling event that just.
We are not taking place in any of that, and I'm letting you know that right now. If you want to call, I'll tell you what I will do for you to help you.
That's what's called.
Here's what I'll do to help you. No, here's what I'll do to help you. I will give you the number to the Torrey Del Mar Dentistry, and you can ask them if they're expecting me and my wife, because they know both of us. Okay, so how's that?
What is
that? Would end your investigation completely.
Your dentist appointment has nothing.
That's where we're going.
Why you're being stopped.
You're saying that we're being stopped because of smuggling activity.
Yeah.
The dentist is going to let you know right now. No, they're not smuggling. They're on the way to the dentist.
Okay. I don't understand how that's relevant.
Okay, then you do not know how to do an investigation properly.
This stop has nothing to do with your dentist appointment.
Yes, it does. I just told you that's where we're going. We're not doing smuggling. We're going to the dentist. The years I've been here, I've never been harassed by Border Patrol on this side of the border like this. This is outrageous.
Well, your opinion at this.
It's not an opinion. It's a fact.
No, it is an action.
It's a fact. It's a fact. And no matter what your dog does, I'm letting you know we do not consent to any searches or seizures at all. What is your name and your badge number?
29.
What's your name and badge number, sir?
My badge number.
Over here. Ask him what his name and badge number is.
Sir, what's your name and badge number?
Badge number is Oscar 172.
Oscar 172.
Oh, your name and badge number, please. Name and badge number?
My name's Gonzalez. Last name Gonzalez.
No, badge number? ID? So you just got here, huh? All right. As American citizens.
Hey, sir, how's it going? I'm U.S. Patrol Agent Michael Suarez. I'm the canine handler for the Border Patrol Station here in Boulevard.
So your dog's gonna tell us if we're legal citizens or not?
No, dogs can't talk.
Okay, so then what's the deal here? Because we don't have anything
do you
illegal.
Consent to,
I do not consent to any searches or seizures.
As the,
and I'm letting you know, as an American citizen, we do not consent to anything. Okay, you're gonna tip off your dog just to get probable cause. It's a gimmick.
Yeah,
we all know about
as
that.
A formality. We don't need your consent to
well,
the dog
I'm not.
on the
Well, you don't have consent.
So my dog, he's able to detect marijuana.
Okay, and that's not. Okay, well,
ecstasy,
okay, well, check this out. Marijuana is not. So check this out. Hold on, we're not.
Illegal.
We're state citizens.
In California,
yeah, and we're in California.
But federally.
Okay, but we're in California,
agency,
and we recognize California rules.
We're a federal agency.
We don't comply with federal agencies. Sorry. So you guys do what you gotta do. You guys, we're gonna remain silent. We do not consent to anything. So, marijuana is not illegal in the state of California.
So listen, you're absolutely right. It is
so
right
whatever your dog says, it's false. I'm letting you know now, and that's that. So we're done talking. You guys continue with whatever you're gonna do to violate our rights. Thank you.
Right to not consent to.
We don't consent. Okay, so that's it. I told you, we don't consent.
And it's noted on the body cam.
And it's noted on our camera too. Okay, so no, you don't have to tell me anything. You guys do it. You guys are gonna do what you're gonna do at the end of the day, no matter what. We already told you. I don't care.
If my dog alerts to the vehicle, that gives us probable cause to take you guys out the vehicle and search the vehicle.
We don't consent. We don't consent. We don't consent. We don't consent to any of that. Federal law does not give you any validation over us.
Supremacy clause in the Constitution.
Not in this traffic, not in this stop you got going on here. You guys are border patrol.
It's still considered contraband.
Too bad. Too damn bad. You're not going to tell us how to live when we have a legal right as California citizens to possess any kind of that stuff. Whether it's CBD, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. We have the legal rights, and we will not allow you to come in as Nazi federal government and trample those rights because you think it's okay. Your ideas do not trample every single person's ideas, okay? We have the right to free think. We're not YouTubers. You just violated two normal people, American citizens, on the way to the dentist, scouting the land. Now we're scared to even travel in our own country. This is crazy. No, you're gonna give us a check, I guarantee that. It's gonna be a lot bigger than the scratches.
Or what? My dog positive?
That's none of your business. I don't care.
That gives us probable cause to search the vehicle.
So are you gonna tell us to get out under the threat of arrest? We're not getting out unless you tell us you're gonna arrest us.
So right now, you are being detained.
Okay, so we're not gonna comply with anything unless you say right now, unless we do so.
Right now, you are detained to
Okay.
conduct our investigation.
Go ahead and do what you gotta do. Hurry up.
That might be the case with the dog alert.
I don't care. I don't listen to dogs.
Get out of the vehicle so we
Okay, is it gonna be under the threat of arrest?
if there's contraband, yeah.
No, I'm telling you right now, if we don't get out, are you going to arrest us and break our windows? Yes or no? It's a simple question. Because if you're going to threaten me and my wife with arrest, then we're going to turn off this car, get out, and we're going to call the sheriff.
Yeah, you can get out if you want to do that.
No, I don't want to. I want you to leave us alone so I can get to the dentist.
Right. So in order for you to do that,
We're not going to do anything unless you threaten to arrest us.
Doesn't mean that you consent to anything.
I'm not consenting or cooperating with you at all.
And I'm agreeing.
Okay,
with you.
well, that's that.
Doesn't mean you have to consent.
Okay, we're not. End the conversation then.
But this is an investigative detention. The dog alerted.
I don't care what your dog alerted to. We don't have anything illegal in the vehicle.
That very well may be the case.
It is the case. It's a fact. We're not going to unless you threaten to arrest us or break our window.
You're gonna be arrested.
So you're threatening to arrest us?
No, you're gonna be arrested if you won't get out of the vehicle.
That's what I'm saying. Unless we get out, you're going to arrest us.
Correct.
Okay, so let's get out. No.
Then this will continue to be an investigative detention. If we find nothing, you'll go on your vehicle and be on your
There's
way.
nothing for you. No, so I'm just making sure that we don't. I'm letting you know, as our rights as citizens, we do not want to get out. We want to go on the way. But if you're going to threaten to break our window and arrest us, then I have no option but to turn off my car and get out. So what's it going to be?
Yes, you're gonna be arrested if you don't.
Okay, so we're getting out and we're going to open the doors and you guys do what you got to do. Okay, ID every single freeway under the guise of safety. For what? Huh? That's none of your business. But for what? To prove a point? Huh? To do an ethnic cleansing? Huh? You're messing with good people. You need to put that back where you found it.
Small amount of what I would consider.
That's
personal.
okay. It's illegal.
Okay, listen. Can I just explain?
No, you
something
cannot.
to
Just do what you got to do in this.
That's exactly what I'm
Just your
doing.
hands from your pockets, please.
Yeah. So
hands
there's
are
a
good here.
small amount of personal use marijuana. I'm not inclined to think that there's anything more than that. My officer's doing the rest of the search. The canine officer. This is purview. Here, I'm going to explain something.
Just do what you got to do.
Look, normally,
There's not going to be no. This is not going to be the new normal. No, so you can. Don't waste your breath. This will never be the new normal. All right, not for us or for anybody else that we know of. And there's millions of us.
okay, duly noted. So thank you for your speech. I appreciate it.
It's not a. See how
So
you are. You're a
normally-
cocky son of a bitch.
Normally, we could seize this personal use marijuana. I could actually write you a ticket.
Take it. I don't.
I'm
give a
trying to
fuck.
explain something to you. Normally, we could
Okay,
seize
well,
this.
save it,
Normally,
Conrad.
we could seize this marijuana, and we could take your vehicle back to the station and put
Take
you guys.
it. Take it.
Listen,
Take it.
and put you guys
It just builds our case bigger.
and put you in the system.
It just builds our case
Write
bigger.
you a magistrate ticket, in which case you would get a fine or you'd have to show up in
You
court.
do what you have to do,
However, in light of the circumstances, I don't see there being a whole lot of value in me ruining your day. Like you said, you
Oh,
have
you
a
already
dental
passed that,
appointment.
sir. You already
You have
passed
a
that,
dent-
Conrad.
In light of you having a small amount of personal use, so long as the rest of the search is clear,
This is ridiculous.
I'm going to go ahead and let you off with a warning. Once they complete it, that's all we find.
Well, apparently, he owns my stuff now. He's taking it.
Stay right there, please. Don't get back in the vehicle yet, sir.
He said, go ahead.
Okay.
Hey,
I'm not. I haven't said you can go yet.
Okay, well.
Listen, I'm not about long for big speeches, but
No, I don't
I'll
want to
be
hear
honest
it.
with you.
I don't want to hear it.
Had you just cooperated, I wouldn't
No,
even have
it's
to call
not
the
going to be the
canine,
new normal.
and you could have been
This
on
will
your
not
way.
be the new normal. How's that? And I will make sure we go to the board meetings. Okay, this will be your last stand. You got that, guys? Can I go now?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right.
Have a nice day.
You messed with the wrong guy.
Hours of waiting, questioning, and doubt finally came to an end. The warrant proved false. The accusations collapsed. Yet the fear of those moments left a lasting shadow. What they expected to break became stronger. His resolve, his calm, his dignity. In the silence that followed, he walked away carrying a truth more powerful than any charge. Respect and justice do not need permission to exist. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.